Welcome to our channel. If you've noticed an unauthorized or incorrect charge on your Huntington Bank account and need to dispute it, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Step 1. Review your account statement or transaction history carefully to identify the specific charge you want to dispute. Note the date, amount, merchant name, and reason you believe it's incorrect. Step 2. Gather any supporting documentation that proves the charge is wrong, such as receipts, emails, order confirmations, or correspondence with the merchant. Step 3. For credit card disputes, call Huntington Bank's credit card customer service at 1-800-480-2265 immediately, especially if the charge is fraudulent or unauthorized. Step 4. For debit card disputes, call Huntington's customer service at 1-800-480-2265 or visit a local branch to file your dispute in person. Step 5. When speaking with a representative, explain the disputed charge clearly, providing all relevant details including the transaction date, amount, merchant, and reason for the dispute, unauthorized use, duplicate charge, wrong amount, service not received, etc. Step 6. Follow the representative's instructions to submit a formal dispute. You may need to complete a dispute form either online through your Huntington account, by mail, or at a branch. Step 7. For online dispute filing, log into your Huntington account, navigate to the transaction in question, and select Dispute Transaction to complete the dispute form digitally. Step 8. Once submitted, Huntington will investigate your claim, which typically takes 30 to 90 days depending on the complexity. Your account may receive a provisional credit while the investigation is pending. Monitor your account and email for updates from Huntington and respond promptly if additional information is requested to support your dispute. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.